Hey there, Service Pros. This is Christian from Workiz. In this video, we're going to talk about payment schedules, a simple and efficient way to handle billing milestones for some of your more complex jobs. With payment schedules, you can easily split an invoice into multiple payments, each with its own amount, due date, and notes for extra clarity. Let's get started. First thing we'll have to do is activate this add-on from the Feature Center up here. After that, we'll open up a job to add our first payment schedule. You can also do this right from an estimate or an invoice as long as they're connected to a job. We'll go to the Items tab and scroll down past the line items. Then we'll hit this button to start working on our payment schedule. The first step is choosing how payments are calculated, either a flat dollar amount or a percentage of the job total. After that, you can start adding your payments. By default, you'll see 2 payments set up. If you want to add more, just make sure that they don't add up to more than the job total. Now let's set up due dates. These can be fixed dates or tied to milestones, like initial deposit, parts delivered, service completed, or post-service inspection. If you don't want a specific date, no worries. Just remove the date and tie the payment to a milestone instead. That way, you're only collecting when the work hits that stage. When everything looks good, hit Save to add the schedule to your job. Back in the Items tab, scroll down a bit to see the payment schedule you just created. You'll see key details here, like due dates and milestones. Now let's take a quick look at how payments actually work. You've got a couple of options. Enter payments manually right from the schedule, or send the invoice to your client to pay online through the client portal. If you're entering manually, just pick the payment type and submit it in Workiz. If your client wants to pay themselves, send them the invoice link where they can enter their card details. You'll need to be set up with Workiz Pay to collect card payments. After payments come in, you'll see real-time updates in the schedule with statuses like paid, partially paid, due, or overdue. And that's it. That's all you need to know to get started with payment schedules in Workiz. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help your business grow. Thanks for watching.